It'd be cool if the others like came and they let us pet them.
Yeah.
Hi, beautiful.
I love this.
It's so cute.
Natalie,
Tweedledum and Tweedledummer.
Which one's which?
I don't know.
Let's just name them both whatever they want.
It makes sense. Hello. Hello. Oh, hello.
Give him kisses.
I was trying.
Ready, Nat? You too.
I try not to kiss its butt.
Next thing, squirt. You're at a good angle there, Megan.
Now Natalie is.
Natalie, I wasn't a glass maker. I didn't make you see through.
That was so cool. I was sitting there and I just hopped on my hands, knees.
That's awesome.
I was sitting on the other head.
These two birds we hand reared. They had their home cut down after a storm, but they were uninjured. So we've had them for about 3-4 weeks, and we released them into the wild 2 days ago, and they've come home. And it's very nice to be able to see them come home again. They're crested pigeons, and their common name is a little top-knot pigeon. And they are very friendly little birds.
Can I say something?
What would you like to say, Natalie?
That these birds are originally wild, but they've actually got used to us, and I've liked it, and it's fun feeding them. And do not poop
Short
on my
story long, they're really cute. I mean, long story short.
Facebook.
Charlie, you hop in there too. Give them a pat so that I can have a video of you too. Oh, yeah, but I can't see through your head. You're as bad as Natalie. You give them a kiss, Charlie. Be careful, don't open your mouth or they'll climb in.
I will. No.
That is so cool.
No, Charlie, just leave him. It's a certain trick.